Today let's review Anna Griffin 3D decorative layer dies and make a quick card with one of them. I already die cut them out to show you how they look like. They look really nice. You get a little bit more embossing with these dies. That's why they call it 3D dies. You get the shadow layer and the decorative layer for each die set, and they are 4 by 6. Okay, let's make a card with one of them. I think I go with this one. I already prepared one of Anna's card base, and this is from one of Anna's Christmas card kit from years ago, and there are some snowflakes here, but I'm pretty sure they won't show. Yeah, they won't show when you layer it with this die. And this is a collage topper from one of Anna's free gift from her clearance sale she usually has on end of January. So that's one of the gifts I received. You can use whatever decorative thing you like for your card. I'm going to top it with this, and I'm going to stamp something, maybe a just for you or happy birthday, with the stamps in this collection. This is Anna Griffin Layered Sentiment Stamp and Dies, the everyday version one, and make my card. So let's make it together. Really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.